Island style will make you smile. Tap ta da 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 da. Bush. Come join our experience each and every episode with Island style kitchen. Cooking, yaksta the bush lad said that. Waklak skum, skalai boom, bututum, bush. Hey yo! But it's scrolling and clicking. Why you feel that chef over there mouth is dripping? Because they had just subscribed to Island Style Kitchen. Cook it, yaksta the bush lad and that's that. Waklak skum, skalai boom. Take it away with the gravy. Pow!
What's up, people? Welcome back to Island Style Kitchen. Yeah, man, today I'm going to be showing you how I make my steamed fish and reggae rice in my kitchen. So just stay tuned and enjoy the show. Yeah, if it's your first time watching Island Style Kitchen, at the end of this video, please give this video a like if you enjoy the content. Share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Yeah, so just stay tuned and we're going to get into the show right now. I'm going to show you how I make my steamed fish in my kitchen right here at Island Style Kitchen. Peace out.
Yo, Island Style. See the cooking gone island wide. Bling her up. Island Style, yeah, the bush pot settings, everything there.
Yes, people, so these are the ingredients that we're going to be using today to prepare the steamed fish. Alright, here's the fish. I have two nice strawberry grouper here, as you can see. Yeah, man. When you live on an island like me, you get fresh strawberry grouper. I'm going to use some Maggi all-purpose seasoning and black pepper to season them. And here's the okra. You know, say steamed fish cannot be cooked without okra, yardman style. And I have some scotch bonnet pepper here, some garlic, I have a small onion, some green bell pepper and red bell pepper. In Jamaica, a sweet pepper we call it. Yeah, man, and we have a carrot we're going to put tonight. So just stay tuned and watch what I'm doing. I'm going to season the fish and prepare all the vegetables. So this is the cleaning process of the fish. I'm going to be using some vinegar. Yeah, man, you have to wash the fish them properly, you know. Vinegar and lime, especially grouper, because grouper tend to be very raw. Yeah, man. All over the fish you put the lime, people. Wash out the belly properly, and any little thing you see inside you just take it out and wash out the fish properly. We Caribbean people and Jamaican people like to wash the fish them. Anything at all we cook, whether fish or meat, it's supposed to be washed. Alright, so I'm going to wash the fish off again with some fresh water now. And then when I'm done washing them, I'm going to pat dry them. Alright, so I'm going to pat dry the fish now with a piece of paper towel. The reason why I do this is I don't want, when I put the seasoning on them, the seasoning run off. So I'm going to pat dry it. Alright, so I'm going to go in with some seasoning now, see? My Maggi. Yeah, man, my Maggi seasoning. So I'm going to make a little rub inside this little dish here for them. And then I just rub them up, you know. Island Style Kitchen way. And you see, one of the reasons why I like to cook fish so much is I cook fish a lot. Is that fish is so easy to cook and you don't have to really marinate your fish before you cook it. You know? You can just buy the fish. And the best time to cook the fish is fresh from the sea. You just buy the fish or you catch the fish or whatever you do. And then you just cook your fish same time, quick and fast. And fish always tastes good. So, you see this is a big group here right now. I want to tell you that one I eat, you know. Yeah, man, I season it properly because not now, waste, not now. That's when I deal with this group here, you know. Everything on here go. Yeah. Then little cheek, yeah. Everything. Only thing on this group here now I go eat at the bone. Yeah, man, wash off vegetable, you know. I'm telling you all the time, I don't know which one they do and what they do, so make sure some wash off my vegetable in there.
Sandy crook say Ascal them. They want to mash it and a fart make work bust them shut. And I talk about what's nice and that's delicious. That's why the nation so diabetic and cancerous. With food come first. Heads of state, my people. Maybe gonna please listen up.
Yes, people, as you can see, just gonna wash the vegetable in, so I'm gonna chop them right now. I want the pot nice and colorful, so That's the reason why I'm using the red sweet pepper, and I'm using the green one, and I'm also going to put some carrot into it.
This Friday it is near for one. Me food come first. All them my pop and a pop and them said them wicked and them tough, but me food come first. Island style and not tyrants. Yes, they come for rip. Water whipping and the morning and the gnashing and squeal. We not plant no farm, that's why we a feel. No wait on the pharmacist or the doctor seal. Be careful what you're taking for your meal. And what's the problem in the equation? At the simple math for us to overstand. If you eat garbage, you a go in a dip pan. Then boom bang bang, you end up in a river.
Yes, people, so the fish them season up, and I wait the vegetable cut up. Now I am going to sort out the coconut milk. I'm gonna do it quick and fast. Me show you the end product.
I'm gonna play this up. You see these shoes by your feet. Your cologne they smell sweet and your car way unique. Would you throw water in a the tank? You not dig your grave with your teeth. Respect what you eat, cause life is sweet. Me food come first. All them my pop and a pop and them said them wicked and them tough, but
Alright, so here we have it, people. Everything cut up. We have onion, bell peppers, red and green. I have the carrots and the okra here. My coconut milk is here, coconut cream. I have some garlic and some scotch bonnet pepper here. I'm going to allow this pot to heat up. And as soon as the pan heat up, I'm going to saute some garlic and pepper in some coconut oil. Now that the pan heat up, I'm going to add just a little bit of coconut oil to the pan. I'm going to go in with some of my pepper and garlic. I'm going to put all the garlic in there actually. You know, I find it more flavorful when I do it this way. Pepper hot. Trouble. Fish gone in head. One fish gone in tail. Head and tail, yeah? Alright, so I'm going to allow this to sear just a little bit on each side, and then I'm going to add the rest of seasoning and the coconut milk. Sear them on each side just a little bit, nothing too long. I'm going to put some pepper inside of the cavity of the fish, because I want these parts of the fish to be really spicy. Alright? So I'm going to go in now. So I'm going to go in now with a little of my coconut milk. Yeah man, island style kitchen. Doing something different today, you know? We never seen that way before. Come on. Grouper is a kind of fish that sometimes they tend to be hard and them take a little bit longer for cook. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to allow these to cook for about 5 minutes on each side, and then I'm going to add the vegetables at the end. I'm going to add some of the onion and some of the peppers, the sweet pepper, just to add some flavor to the fish while it cooks. So I'm going to add the rest at the end when I'm adding the okra and the carrot. So we just watch what I go on in the island style kitchen of people. Let's watch what I go on. Yeah man. I'm going to cook this on this side of the fish just for about 5 minutes. Or about there, somewhere about there. Well, I'm going to have to taste this in the people, so I go on the island style kitchen now. Yeah man, I eat man. It tastes really good. Island style boss. You know, so from an island style it can't spoil no people. I know that. So I just watch what I go on. I'm just going to add a little bit more coconut milk on here. I make this cook for another 5 minutes, and then I'm going to add the rest of the vegetable at the end. Alright people, so 5 minutes later, look what I go on in the island style kitchen. See a group of them? Yeah man, they're nice and soft, you know. So what I'm going to do now people, look, the coconut milk cook right down to custard. I don't know if you can see it in this. Yeah man, see it, see custard in it? Yeah, man. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the rest of the seasoning and the vegetables on here, and I'll allow this to steam down for another 5 minutes, and then we take this off. Put on the rest of the bell pepper them, onion. Yeah, man, and the okra and carrot are going right now. Some people put in everything one time. I didn't do that. A crocus bag of okra in the pot. The vegetable them nice. So I'm just going to cover this up now. I make this cook for another. I make this cook for another 5 minutes or 10 minutes, or until the vegetable gets soft. Because sometimes I tell them 5 or 10 minutes, I take a little bit more, I take less. So you just watch what I go on and now see it at the end. So when it's ready, I'm going to show it again. So I just base the vegetable will look like the coconut juice. So them nice and juicy too, you know. Yeah man, island style kitchen way. So right now, I'm going to just cover up the pot and give this another 5 minutes and then turn it off. Alright people, so this is exactly 10 minutes later. So this dish took 20 minutes to cook. If you notice, the okra them still whole, the sweet pepper and the carrot and everything still whole. Them now mash out. This is exactly how I wanted it. That's the reason why I do it this way. Some people probably be saying they put everything in the pot one time and get the same result. That work for you, that work for you. But I find that when I cook group up, I get a better result from it when I do it this way. So that's the reason why I do it this way. Yes, people, see it there? Try to make sure it's the rice proper. The plate. What people rice are so shelly, you're not even roll up together. I'm not try, but no, roll up. The rice is so shelly. Look at people that fall apart. Do the rice shelly. But no business here, man. I go eat my food same way. I don't know what I go. Yeah, people. See fish them? So they're nice. Right now this is a big one that me want. Now lady I go get the next one, but me I eat that big fish. See there? Tail hang over the plate. I tell it to the Royal George. Tail broke off. But that's how it go. Decorate it with the okra right on the plate now. So yes people, see it there? Steamed fish. The crocus bag of okra and regular rice. Island style kitchen. See it here? Steamed fish and regular rice. Right now, this tastes so good, people. We shouldn't look at taste it, but I'm not too far. So if you don't want steamed fish like this, you have to contact Island Style Kitchen. Come on. I'm just going to eat and enjoy my steamed fish and regular rice, and I drink some Island Style tropical fruit punch. Yeah man. So thank you guys very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, just share it out to your family members and friends, so them can see what I go on in the Island Style Kitchen. Yeah man. And leave a comment down below. If you're new to my channel, just make sure you subscribe. Yeah man. Peace out. One love and stay safe. Right now, I'm finished eating this. I'm going to go into some bonus. Yes, people. As you can see, the fish get mashed up, demolished. Yeah, man. This is how we eat fish. Yardman style, island style kitchen. When fish nice, nothing to leave in the plate. Yeah, man. So when you eat a fish, so if you go eyeball and all, cheek meat, everything, only bone left in the plate. Wanna stay safe. Peace out.